Class is set up as a way to explore theater on the technical side. For the most part, we work at building sets, set construction, prop construction, and basic theater maintenance of just everything it takes on the back end side to get a play rolling. Theater Workshop works closely with the Montana Actors Theater, the resident theater company here at MSU-Northern, and one of the tasks they have is to construct the set for each production that's going on with MAT. For SpongeBob SquarePants, which is one of our big productions this year, Jim designed the set. Jim worked to design some of these pieces for the space, and he created blueprints that the Theater Workshop students could help construct.
My role is to get it designed and to make a model, make sure everything works the way the director's going to want to work, and then make detailed plans for the students to follow on how to build everything. And then their role is to learn how to build things, how to paint things for theater. And it's a whole different style of construction and of working, but it's a fun style. And so when we come together to work on a show like this, it's oftentimes for the first time they're building something, the first time they're painting something. And so you can just see the lights come on and they're excited about, oh, okay, that's how that works. And it's fun when you actually see it go from a piece of wood to a finished set and people interacting on that set. So that process is really exciting.
It counts as one of the humanities credits, and it's a very definite hands-on approach towards humanities with hammers. It's a really nice way to be introduced to an art form that some people might not have exposure to, but they have skill sets in building or construction, welding, all of the different things that we need to build the stage.
I love that. I love helping them to show how to drill, how to cut, how to put it together and make it. It's very rewarding. When you see it all come together, it's so rewarding for me to see it go from a concept up here and a sketch down here to actually something on the stage that's actually working and people are enjoying. There's just nothing like it. It's just a lot of fun to see those things come together.
It opens doorways to an art form that people think they might not have a good experience with, but then once they have the chance to experience it, to be part of it in the construction, and then see the performance and see how what they did made such a huge difference. It's a really enjoyable thing. SpongeBob SquarePants opens at Havre High School on March 23rd, and we run the Thursday, Friday, Saturday that week, and the following Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The show's great fun for the whole family. It features music from Aerosmith to Cyndi Lauper to David Bowie. And yeah, come on out and enjoy the show.